So good morning, everyone. So we are going to start a new topic which is nothing but output determination. So we should know what exactly output determination and when it is applied. So output determination, which is also called as message determination, is applicable for all models in SAP. Okay, so every business document like purchasing document or inventory document and invoice document can be outputted. Output is nothing but print or transmit, to external hardware or to internal employees by fax or print or simple mail or mail. So in SAP inbox, if you see, so the user, will get the mail, simple mail. That's it, for example. What is the user inbox? As I've shown you, SBWP, right? SAP Business Workplace. This is the T code, SBWP, or else, directly, if you go here, this is, Business Workplace, SBWP, where user inbox, end user, they will be getting here, simple mail means they will be getting mail here, okay? Let's say, for example, you have release strategy here, right? They will get some information related to release strategy. I'm just giving one example, okay? Like that, or whatever it is, So here, SBWP is there where it will take you directly, or else this is also SBWP. If you click here, SAP Business Workplace, it will redirect you to same here, this area, okay? So method determination for PO. And here, like via sometime ALE, application link enabling, or EDI. We should know the difference of where EDI is used, where ALE is used. ALE, is used basically when transfer of data from one system SAP to another SAP. ALE is used, application link enabling. EDI, electronic data interchange, one transfer of data from SAP to non-SAP. So suppose, supplier, so they are not having SAP. So in that case, EDI is used, okay. So anyhow, this is taken care of by basis and technical consultant. But we should know this, okay, what is ALE, what is EDI. So method determination for PO, like a condition table. So we should go here, like LACE already we have seen. LACE is nothing but the condition table, condition for output control. Okay. So many condition, like the PO is there, invoice verification is there, purchase order is EFO, right? RFQ is inbound delivery E1. So in our earlier class, I have shown you, right? Inbound delivery we have done. So basically, sometimes what happen, like we create a PO, purchase order, and we create a GR, the normal process flow I'm saying, PO, GR, and IR, right? But sometimes what will happen, in some cases, in some manufacturing company, PO and then they create an inbound delivery, okay? Inbound delivery, VL 31N, right? That is a T code for creating the inbound delivery. So where WM will also come into picture because warehouse number, this all is taken care by WM consultant. So the address, whenever inbound delivery is coming into picture, then you need to create the PO, and then you need to create the inbound delivery, and then you need to create the goods receipt, then IR. So the process flow will be different. Okay, yeah. So here are so many output control is there. If you see here, GIT just in time. So many things are there. Sales, this is applicable for SD people, but for our MM, we are saying we are checking from our MM point of view. Okay? So here, let's say determination for PO. Next T code. This is very important T code. Already we have used so many times. Okay, and then we need to know a method determination for pricing procedure. Okay, so here that is nothing but MEK1. Sometimes we have once the pricing procedure come into picture, you'll be understanding more. So here, condition type, there are so many condition types, like if we check in our PO, we have this much of condition type, right? Discounted header level, this all, pharma product. So many input taxes there, MWHD. Okay, we should know this all. Gross price, PBO, okay, PB00, and NAVS, non-deductible tax. So, like this method determination for pricing procedure. So, whenever pricing procedure come into picture, then this condition record is there. That's the reason whenever we are configuring pricing procedure, then we create a condition record. Okay, we create a condition record. So This also we should know. And how to customize output determination. So here I am going to customize the output determination. How will you customize? First to go to SPRO, SAP reference RMG, go to materials management, purchasing, and here we have messages. Here we have messages. Okay. Text for messages. This I am showing you here. Text for messages. Define text for purchase order. Let's say, see here we have defined text for RFQ, request for quotation. This will start. Okay, we have another topic called as purchasing transaction, where we come to know what is RFQ and how to create RFQ, what are the transaction codes, and what is the scheduling agreement, contracts. This all comes in purchasing transaction. And define text for contract, scheduling agreement. These are all purchasing transactions. Okay. Let's say here define text for PO. I'm going here. Here observe which header text type and which item text type has to print output for operations. That is for new purchase order and for change purchase orders based on document type. So we have in purchase order we have so many document type, right? So NB, we know this, NB whenever we create the PO, the document type will be NB, right? So if I go to ME21M, we have so many document types in purchase order. The standard document type is NB, and we also have UB. UB is nothing but stock transport order, right? UB, stock transport order. So titles like here based on document type and headings for PO printout, like titles for document printout, etc. So no text ID. So here F means PO. So here how to check this? I'm going through this define text for PO. Here already we are here. Yeah. So let's say I'm selecting yeah, I'm selecting let's say this one. Go to detail button. So print operation is new. Purchasing document categories F. Okay. Sometimes they may ask in interview what is the purchasing document category for PO. So don't get confused. Purchasing document is separate part. Purchasing document category is separate part. Okay. So here, how to check purchasing document categories? So if you open this, we have so many. A purchasing document category for RFQ is A. Purchasing document category for purchase requisition is B. And purchasing document category for PO is F. Purchasing document is separate and purchasing document category is separate. Okay. Don't get confused. Sometimes they may ask in interview what is the purchasing document category for PO. So you should be answer. Your answer should be F. Okay. For info record is I and for contract is K. Scheduling agreement is L. Okay. Service entry sheet is Q and source list is W. Similarly, you can also see this purchasing document category in ME2N T code or ME5A. ME5A. Okay, list display of purchase information. Like ME2N is list of PO, right? And ME5A is list of purchase information. So here you go here and you just to go this side, dynamic selection, purchase information, okay, and document purchasing document category serial. Okay, so purchasing document category, same thing what we have seen there, right? Same thing it is here also. You understand? We should know this purchasing document. So basically, we should know this. Most probably we use this, right? Purchase application and purchase order, and sometimes scheduling agreement and contract. But everything is important only whenever you do. Whenever it go live is there, and the users will use all this. Okay, source list we have created, right? For that job, we have created a source list, which is mandatory, right? ME01, the transaction code. The purchasing document category for source list should be W. These things, we should know. Okay. So here observe which header text type and which item text type has to print in PO output. Okay. So text ID F means PO. That is nothing but purchasing document category F. Okay. Okay. Then, yeah. Print operation is one, right? And purchasing document type is ND. Document type is document category. Okay. Text object EKQ. EKQ means header. Text ID F01 header text. Okay. Print sequence is three. Text name, print title. These all things we should know. Now back to AMG. Similarly, you can check each and every document category. So even if you go here, this is for stock transport order STOK. So go here and click the detail button. Purchasing document category for PO is F1, right? And here, but purchasing document type for STO is UB. And EKPO, you know, right? What is the header table for PO is EKPO. Item table EKPO, right? We should know this. And for GR, what is the header table, item table? MSCG and KPO, right? We should know these tables because table plays an important role to fetch the data and getting the fields related to the table. Okay, so whenever you are working with the ABAPer, you should know the table and how to fetch the data from the table and which field should come. So that is the reason we should know these tables. Okay, what are the tables in the material master? We have MARA table, right? MARA, MARD, storage location table, and plant table is MARC mark. We should know these all terminology. Yeah, so now I'm going back. Output control. Okay, so if I go to output control condition table, let's see, this is the condition table. Okay, define condition table for PO. So here I'm going to define the condition table for purchase order. Okay, so click create condition table. Okay, this one. Double click this, so it will take you to table. Let's say I'm giving one 777. Okay, click enter. So here double click on required field like let's say I need purchase organization. Okay, so double click this, it will come here left side. Double click this purchase order. Okay, whatever this is as per this is decided by the business. Okay, so let's say the business is saying I need this purchase order. You take this and purchase group. Let's say I'm taking this also. Okay, and vendor, double click this. Okay, and click generate button. This is generate the left side. Okay. That's why I mentioned in my notes, shift to place F4. That is generate button. Okay. Yeah. So now, do you want to generate a condition report? Yes. And here, do nothing. Just to click save it. One second. One second. We need to click local object. First, click the local object and then save it. So here, see, we have created the table B777. So B is coming by default, but we have taken 777, right? Yeah. Now we need to define the access sequence. So these things, will be coming in pricing procedure also. After this topic, we will directly go for pricing procedure so that it will be easy for you to understand. Some settings we are already doing here in output determination, and the same thing we need to do in pricing procedure also. So go back, close this. Yeah. Now access sequence. I am going to access sequence now. Okay, so define access sequence for purchase order. I'm clicking this. So you'll get the message, caution, the table is cross blind. Just click enter. Okay. So I'm defining my own access sequence. Let's say I'm going for new, or else you just to copy and you can create your own access sequence. Okay. So I'm going with the new entries. We go with the new entries and I'm giving here Z triple one. Okay. So with a combination of what we have defined in condition table, we have taken purchase or right, and we have taken purchase group right, and we have taken vendor right. With this combination, we have created the condition table 777 right. So that you need to mention here. Click enter. Okay. Now you select whole row Z triple one. Okay, and click accesses button. This one. Okay. Once you click this accesses button, you need to practice about this. It's not rocket science, but once you practice, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So now, what I need to do is I need to go new entries. Go to new entries. Now you can give any number. Let's say I'm giving here 10, and the table which we have created that will be triggering here. What is that? 777. Take this. Okay, which we have created in condition table, right? And checkbox exclusive. You need to select this checkbox exclusive. The requirement is 101 reprint. Take this also. Okay, 101. And then click enter. The development does the development class of condition table is local. Yeah. And then let's say I'm taking another 20 here and I'm taking here 25. What is this 25? If you open this purchase output determination document type purchase or vendor is 25. You take this, okay? Select this. And here also checkbox should be there. And here also take 101. Click enter. You got this. Now save it. The field assignment has not yet been made. So click enter again. Okay. So now you need to give your customizing request control. So you go here, just tell, just we can type here output determination config. Okay. So when you have done the config, let's say today's date 26th, right? Save it. So this TR was generated. Now select each table row, okay, and click fields button. So here see EKORG, EKORG, EKTRP, this is coming through condition table. Okay, yeah, and go back. Now you click this one and click fields button. You will be getting this. What is this document type BSART? We have configured no release static. What is the document type? Table, right? Field name. Table is BSA. Table is EKQ, right? Sorry, SECO, na? CEKQ for all external purchasing documents. Yeah, EKORG. The field name will be for purchase or EKORG, right? LIFNR means vendor. This will be coming into picture. Yeah. Now back to AMG. And now we save this. Yeah. Now message type. Go to message type. Define message type for purchase order. Okay. And now click maintain message type for PO. So already message type is there, output type for PO, that is NEU. Okay. So this is the NEU. So we have so many output types. The mail is there and NEU is there. So new PO printout. So select this NEU. Okay. This is the standard given by SAP. Okay. So note output type specify how the document has to print and in which communication media the document has to output and to which partner function vendors only the PO output is allowed. Okay. In real time also output type already exists with predefined forms and print program. But as per the business requirement, we need different forms and different print program with a new output type. Okay. So what I do, I'll select existing output type NAU and I click the copy as button. This one. Okay. And what I do, I will put this instead of NU, I'll make it ZAU. Okay. Yeah, ZAU. This is my output type. New PO printout. Okay. Enter. Save. So in general data, number of depending entries, this is copied. So in general data, you go here. This is the general data. Okay. In general data tab, select our new access sequence. So what access sequence we have configured just now? What is that? Z triple one, right? Yeah, you need to select the Z triple one. Purchase or purchase group and vendor, right? You need to select this. Assign our new access sequence to this new output type. Now click enter and click copy all button. Already we have done this and save it. Okay? Yeah. Now again you select see you are getting so many SAP script text. This is changing the just click enter and enter. This is it. Yeah. Okay. So here, like processing routines is there. So if I go back, so what is this processing routines? So here, just observe assign forms for print program to each communication method. Okay. So here, partner role. So we can see. So here, see like ordering address OA, like VN. This is for vendor, right? Vendor master. When we have started vendor master, we came to know about this partner. The vendor can play different partner function role, right? The OA and what else? GS vendor, goods supplier vendor, IP vendor, invoice presented by. So these all things, ordering address, this you can see here. Delivering plant, vendor, this one. Okay. These are the partner roles. With this output type ZTU to which partner function vendors only the PO output is possible. So maintain partner function here. Okay, so here we are maintaining partner functions. So these are the partner functions. Okay. For this output type ZAU, automatically this is copied, right? So suppose for example, if you don't need this vendor, you just click here and delete it. Okay. This is also as per the business requirement. So as of now, I'm taking the whole whatever it is there in NEO that is copied to ZEO. Okay. So I'm taking everything. Yeah. Now go back. Fine tune control purchase order. Click this. Okay. For operation 1 and 2, maintain our new output type ZEU. So 1 and 2, ZEU, right? So here we have ZDU, where it is. So I'm taking this one, okay? I'm clicking this one, copy as and give our, what is our part? That is ZDU, right? Take this ZDU, ZDU. And now select 2, this is 2, right? Oh, yes. Now give ZDU, click enter, number of entries copied. And now I'm saving this. So interview they may ask, do you have knowledge in output determination? This is what output determination. Okay. Automatic account determination, that is separate default account. Output determination is separate. Don't get confused with that and this. Okay. Yeah. So now back to IMG message determination. This is my IMG part. So now I'm going to message determination schemas. So I'm going here. Message determination schema for purchase order. Click maintain message determination for on schema purchase order. Okay. Now here RMBEF1 is there. That is the standard procedure given by SAP. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll create our own schema. Either you go with this, select this and copy as, okay, or else directly go to new entries and give your own. So now let's say copy as. I am removing this. I am giving my own schema. That is, let's say y. एक shift क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा है? Y 00001. Okay, this is my new copy of. Entry PCC does not exist. Okay, so in this case, what we do better number of different entries copied. So this is created number of entries copied. Okay. Now select new schema group and click control data. So here I'm selecting this new schema group which we have defined just now and click control data button. Okay. Yeah. So now we need to view this. Step 1. So there are basically 16 steps here. Okay. We should know this. What are the 16 steps? Step counter, condition type, description, requirement, manual, and what else? Yeah. Yeah, that is there in pricing procedure. But here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7, 6, no? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that is there in pricing procedure. So now what we do, we change it to ZDU here. Okay, we have configured. You take that ZDU. Okay, I'm taking this. And 20, I will make it this as mail. Okay, my business also need mail. So in this case, I am maintaining this mail. Okay, and my business also need this RIM. What is this RIM? ERIM, reminder. Okay, let it be counter 0011, no issue. This 1111. Now click enter and save it. So I am saving this. assign schema to purchase order. I'm going back, click this, assign schema to purchase order. Okay. Yeah. So now we need to give this our own procedure. What is that procedure we have defined? Y00001, right? I'm taking this. Okay. And this P should be, yes, print. So you need to select the table. Anyhow, this is by default. Okay. Enter and save it. Yeah. Interview question: what is the standard PO form in output determination? METRUC. METRUCK. METRUC. This is very important. They may ask in interview. What is the standard PO form in output determination? METRUC. METRUCK. METRUC. Yeah. Now back to MG. SN output devices for purchase group. Go here. So purchase group, let's say you can configure on your own purchase group whatever predefined is there. Here it is there, right? So now ODB LP1 is there. This is anyhow coming by default. Here SN output devices, printer IDs to purchase group. So here we are defining printer IDs for each purchase group. For example, in your purchasing department, you have so many purchasing group. So what is purchase group and purchase organization? What is the difference? Purchase organization is a group of people who are working in purchasing department, right? Whereas purchase group is individual entity where you can find the name of a person, his email ID, fax, okay, number, mobile number. Okay. Yeah. So now this LP01 already it is there by default. Whenever we do setting, we select this, right? So this is there by default. So no need of worry. Let's say, for example, you have created your purchase group in purchasing department. One person he need that. So in that case, you need to assign this LP01. Now we do the testing scenario. So these are all settings already we have done. Now we see what will happen. Now I am doing the testing scenario. What I do first, I create the vendor with partner role BNR over. So I'm going to XK01 equal. Okay. And let's say 1000. Okay. Partner function. You can take anything. Okay. You can take your own. No issue. Now here partner function will take VN account group. That is okay. As of now, what I'm doing, I'm taking this creator. Let it be KRAD. Click enter. Okay. So now I'm taking this company. Let's say zero. Okay. Country India 01. Consideration account 1,60,000 trade payable A1 domestic payment. Okay. Now I'm selecting partner function VM. Okay. Order currency INR Indian rupees. So here partner function I'm selecting VN. So this is not coming. Then let's try with vendors. Okay, no, no issue. So here, um, taking this A1 domestic payment, order currency INR. Okay, save it. Okay. Now maintain condition record for PO output type NASD code. So note on this vendor, Gupta. 100243. This is my vendor. Okay. So we are maintaining condition record. So how to maintain condition record? What is the T code? That is NAS, right? NAC NAS T code. Go to NAS T code. Okay. Select application EF for purchase order because we have done the settings for PO, right? So you need to select this EF purchase order. So sometime the tickets will be coming sometime in support whenever you work on support role. This type of issue like a print PO is not getting triggered. So in that case, you need to see check this all names code. You go to names and you check what the condition record they have maintained. Okay, sometimes purchase group and vendor and combination of purchase organization will be there, but they will not be purchase organization. In that case, also PO printout will not get affected. Okay, so we need to check this off. Okay, so select this and click the condition report button and select our new output type, that is ZDU, right, which we have created. So here say we got this combo pack. How this is coming? Purchase organization, purchase group, vendor, condition. Here we have done the config condition table, condition report. Select this and go here. Now you purchase or purchase group. What is that? 000, right? And vendor. One. This is what, no? The one which we have created. 240, right? You do this. Okay. Click enter. Execute. Okay. So vendor. So what vendor we have given? 2000, right? Use here vendor and function is VN. VN is nothing but vendor. Okay. Select this VN. Now let's say I need print output. So if you need print output, you need to select one. Okay. If you need fax, you need to select two. If you need simple mail, you need to select seven. Okay. If you select this simple mail seven, then what will happen? This will go. This mail will go to means this information print new print PO copy. This will go to no no. Yeah, this will go to vendor as well as yeah, vendor inbox.
Vendor and as well as I
Yeah.
think we can give to in our records also we incorporate
No, this will go to direct vendor.
directly.
Yeah, direct vendor. Okay. So simple mail. So in this case, if you select this seven, it will go to vendor inbox. Okay. So now let's say I am selecting this one. Okay. I'm selecting this one. Similarly, you can maintain different vendors also once at a time. But as of now, I'm taking only one. Okay. Yeah. Now what I'm doing is click enter, select whole part and go to communication button. Okay. Output device. So what is our output device? LP01, right? You need to select this LP01 print. Okay, LP01 and address number. Immediately, if you want, print immediately. This one, you can select this. Send time, print immediately. You can select or else let it be. Yeah, save it. Condition report save. So we have not taken second line. Means second line means facts, right? So you do by yourself. take another vendor and try to create one separate vendor and see this is for fax. Okay, so we need to enter the fax number. Suppose, for example, if you are taking, let's say, okay, if you need fax, then what you need to do? Medium you need to change, right? Fax is 2. If you give 2, I'm not saving, just I'm showing you. Go here and you need to maintain the fax number here. Okay, address number, time. If you want immediately, so select immediately. Okay, send immediately. IBM, right? This is for fax. I'm saying fax number should be there. You need to give the fax number. So as of now, I'm not going with this. I'm going with print PO. Okay. Now I will create the PO and you see what will happen. So I'm going to ME21 and transaction code now. ME21 and select the same vendor 2000, purchase over 2000. So the material related to this 2000 is what? Let's say PO quantity I'm taking is 10, net price 100, okay, and plan to 2000. Store location 0001, click enter, okay. So now you need to click the messages button to check our output type. What is our output type? ZAU, right? So click messages button. So here we got ZAU. This is what the configuration. If you are getting this ZAU, then we have done 100% correct. Print output, no? We have taken print output. If you select the fax, then fax will be coming here. Okay. So this is what it is. So if you click the communication button here, select this, click the communication button here, okay, and observe the fax number or print whatever it is, okay. So here logical destination is L501. If it is fax, then you will be getting this all fax information, okay. Back. Now what you do, click the print preview button. So this is what the PO. This PO copy will go to vendor. Understand? This is what. So observe PO print output as per output type ZAU. Smart form is what? Metrc as per smart form. Layout and print program as per smart form and Metrc. This is what. So fax amount. Here fax amount not yet here in print PO. So do modification with a wrapper. So that is a different issue. So if a fax amount means nothing but number, if that is not there, then we need to do some modification with the wrapper to tell the wrapper that fax number is not generating in the PO. So let's say for example this is print copy. So they also need the fax number. Okay. If that is the case, then you need to take a wrapper help. Understand? That is what. So same way, configure output determination for other purchasing document like RFQ is there, outline agreement is there, okay, in the same IMP file. Okay. So note, no output determination is there for PR in standard SAP. Output determination is not there in standard SAP. If required, we can develop for PR also with ABAP. But what I have seen, because I work in multiple companies, so I have not seen this scenario because print copy is there in PO only. So they don't require at all. But if at all, if the client requirement is there, they also need the print copy for PR, then we need to take the ABAP help because in standard SAP it is not there. Output determination for PR in standard SAP is not given. But if at all, if the business need, then you need to develop with the help of a web. Similarly, output determination for inventory management is also there. Okay, so this is what you know. So if it is there for inventory management, then I'll show you how to configure it. Okay, now I'm saving this PO. Edit, what is this? In case of ERS, okay, this is ERS now. Evaluated receipt settlement. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to select the payment terms. At least one payment term should be there. Otherwise, this won't get saved. Yeah, I'm saving this PO. Okay, so now I'm just trying to show you the same thing is there. So output determination for inventory management, if you are doing, then do this. Okay, output determination, go and maintain condition table, the one which we have just now defined. Okay, and we also configure the access sequence. Same thing you follow. Maintain output type, maintain output determination procedure, maintain condition record, and printer determination. Okay, these things you need to do. Here also existing IMG setting for release document, different reports are available. So here for releasing the document, different transition codes are there. What is that? So for PR document category, purchasing document category for PR is B. Okay. So print this table. This will be coming by default ME54, and this is release PO, PR, right? For RFQ, this is there how to do the release document ME45 for PO. So these are the things you can check there. Material document header table MKPF, item table MSCG, inventory document header table RBKP, inventory document item table RACG. Okay, an accounting document header table is BKPF, and accounting document item table is RACG. Now the whole output determination process is completed. So I'm giving you this as homework. You do this for inventory management. Same thing, whatever we have done. You first maintain condition report, condition table. So whatever you know as per the business requirement, like we have selected the purchase or purchase goods vendor. Okay. Similarly, take either same or you can take try with different one. Okay, and maintain access sequence, maintain output type, whatever output type you need. So do you do this? Okay. Yeah, it's finished now. Any doubt? This is what output determination. So here, whenever you're clicking these messages, so the message should be coming here by default as ZEU. ZEU. So how this print output is coming, because we have done that setting there. If we maintain their patch, then patch will be coming here by default. Okay. This is what output determination. Okay then.